Welcome to the Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.
Hello everyone, welcome to Laboratory Video Series. This is Mansa Sutapalli working as a lead researcher in Miracle Software Systems. Today I am going to explain you about the candidate screening chatbot which we have built using Watson Assistant and Voice Agent. Here goes our agenda. Initially I will be explaining about the chatbot and the technology stack that we have used while building this chatbot and IBM Watson Assistant, followed by a solution architecture and a live demo. Artificial intelligence had made a great progress in the past 5 years. People have become very comfortable while using these conversational interfaces. They made us feel very comfortable and it gives us a feeling like we are speaking with a real person instead of a machine. Conversational bots are here to automate everything. Instead of users downloading a mobile application and getting all the information, these conversational chatbots are going to the places where people are available already, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram. So the thing is we can integrate these chatbots with any of the framework, like we can integrate with Facebook Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp, and even Twilio for sending the SMSs. They can also understand natural language. So, these chatbots are used in multiple use cases, like we can interact with the things that are available at our home, like we can speak with the fan, like we can turn on the fan using the chatbot commands, and we can turn on the light. And also, if you want to speak with a customer care person, no need to call them directly. We can speak with the agent through messages. And if you want to know the information about a particular website, then no need to go through the entire website. We just need to speak with the chatbot that is available in their website and we can get the information that is needed. So here is the technology stack that we have used. We use Twilio for sending the messages and for making the calls. In this particular use case, we have used Twilio for calling purposes. And we used Watson Assistant for building entire chatbot, and we use Cloudent. It's a NoSQL database, which is the data will be stored in a key value pairs. It is for storing the information that user have given. And we used Node.Js. It is a server-side framework. It acts as a backend in our application. So Watson Assistant, it is one of the framework for building chatbots. We have many other frameworks that came from Microsoft, AWS. This is the framework that we got from IBM. So for building the chatbot, we need to create intent, entities, and dialogues. Intents are nothing but users will be asking or giving the inputs in different ways, right? All those inputs are given in this intent, like the utterances will be placed in this intent. And the entities. Entities are nothing but it's a synonym for a particular word. So people with different language will ask in different ways, right? So we used entities for that. For dialogues, it's nothing but integrating the intents and entities, and using that dialogues, the user can interact with the bot. And this Watson Assistant has the capability of integrating with Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp, and many other channels. Now the next slide is about the IBM Watson voice agent with IBM Watson. So voice agent can communicate directly with customers and handle complex issues. It's a traditional voice response system, like we can directly call to the voice agent and solve our issues. We can set up only service agent or agent assistant in private cloud also. It has the capability to connect to external services like Watson services. It helps to build integration with databases as well. We can also handle and resolve customer issues. In our demo, we have used IBM Watson agent for calling and answering the questions that are related to the referred person. I'll explain you while I'm showcasing the demo. I'm now coming to the solution architecture. Here, initially, the employee needs to enter the details of the referral person. After entering, the employee will be getting an email with a chatbot link. So after opening the chatbot, he need to give all the details of the candidate, whatever he knows. Later, if he or she misses to communicate or chat with the bot, then we'll be sending reminders to the employee to fill the information that he know about the candidate within 2 or 3 days. If not, the chatbot link will be expired after a particular time span. We need to decide it based on our requirement. And we also have an option to call the chatbot and answer the questions that are related to the candidate. All these details will be stored in IBM Cloudent. Now let's see the demo in action. So now I'll show the demo of Screen Secure Bot. Initially I'm filling details of the candidate that I'm going to refer. She is Anusha Vanilla. I'm going to give her details there. And then I'll be giving details about mine, the referred person, Mansa Sutapalli. I'll give my email ID along with the phone number. And then I'll click submit. I'm giving my mobile number now. And then I'll click submit. Then I'll be getting email to my mail ID which I have given here. So you can see this mail is Mansa Sutapalli. Now if I click this, it will tell that it's candidate verification request Screen Secure, and it will greet me first, and then there is some text there. If I click on verify here, then it will redirect me to the chatbot. I'm clicking verify here. So it was redirected to the chatbot page. We'll be getting proactive message from bot itself, and can you proceed with the verification process or not? If I click yes, then it will get started. It will ask me for whether I know Anusha Vanilla or not. If I click yes, then how do you know Anusha Vanilla? Either professionally or personally or both. I'm clicking professionally. From how many years I know Anusha Vanilla? So it's around 2 years, and it is asking me to briefly describe about the candidate. She is a smart worker and a team player. Now it will ask me the strengths and weaknesses of that particular candidate, confidence and teamwork. Now it will ask, the bot will ask another question like, did the candidate love to work independently or with team? She loves to work with team. And now the bot will ask one more question like, do that candidate have any accomplishment while working along with the referred person? So I'm hitting it as if she got appreciations in the last quarter. And I'll hit enter. It will ask me one more question. Like, do you and your colleagues want to work with her again or not? I'm hitting as yes, of course. Now the bot will tell that all the responses have been stored in the database. I already specified it is Cloudent database. Now I'll thank the bot. So this was the demo that we have did. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs. For more on innovation, please visit miraclesoft.com/thelabs.